What I want to show you here is how we as Right People Group distributes your request to get the maximum competition in the market. So what we do is that we follow quite a fixed procedure. And I basically have it right here. So the first thing we would do is that we would create your request in our request management tool, so we know exactly what stage we are in and make sure that we are on top of all the requests we have going. Number two, and this is what I will show you in details later, is how we take your request and send it to preferred vendors as we have agreed in Onsider. We would also post it on rightpeoplegroup.com, our website. We have about 30,000 visitors per month there. We would send it out to our email list. We have 12,000 consultants there, and they would bid into the project. We will use LinkedIn Recruiter, an active search there, contact all the relevant candidates so they bid into us. And then we'll use various freelance platforms and we will post it on different LinkedIn groups. So all these things we do to get the maximum number of relevant applicants. And then we do our process of selecting and then we bid into you. So you only get 3-4 super relevant candidates and you can proceed with the relevant ones and take interviews there. But what I want to show you here is the on-site part of what we do, because we had earlier that you posted a request on a finance controller, and I have it right here. And what we do basically is that we take this request and then we distribute it to the preferred vendors, and that is what we do here. So here we had set up 4 groups, different kinds of groups. We have a finance group here. And what we suggest is that we, together with you, define what types of requests do we have and what preferred vendors do we want to send them to. Because then we ensure that the right vendors are always asked for the right requests. So let's say that we have agreed for all finance requests. We have made this finance group and then we send it to them. So this is simply what we will do. We will mark the finance group. You can see here, I set in some dummy companies here, 4 dummy companies. This is what we will define with you, what should be in here. And then we simply create the message, and all these organizations that we set in, they will get a link to the project so they can bid into the projects. Boom. And then we send it out. So this is how our request distribution process works, and this is how we ensure that the right preferred vendors are always asked for the right requests. Thank you.